Hello, my loves! I'm so glad you're here, and I hope you're ready to feel inspired and empowered. Welcome to Own Your Beauty, a space where we celebrate every unique, natural feature that makes you, you. Here, we lift each other up and remind ourselves that beauty comes in all shapes, shades, and stories. Here, we embrace who we are, flaws and all. No filters, no hiding, just real, radiant confidence. Your smile, your eyes, your skin, everything about you is beautiful. Every freckle, every laugh line, every little detail tells your story. Today, let's start a journey to confidence and self-love. It's about progress, not perfection, and learning to appreciate ourselves a little more each day. Real skin is normal, pimples, dots, and all. We all have days when our skin isn't perfect, and that's completely okay. We're not chasing perfection, just healthy, happy skin. It's about gentle care, not harsh routines. When you care for yourself, you glow from within. That inner confidence shines brighter than any highlighter ever could. Our focus today is blackheads, those tiny, dark spots we all get, no matter our age or skin type. They're totally normal, and nothing to be ashamed of. Don't stress. I've got simple, gentle tips to help you manage them, so you can feel comfortable and confident in your skin. This is about feeling good and giving your skin the love it deserves. You deserve to feel pampered and cared for. So, get comfy, grab your favorite drink, and let's chat like friends. This is your time to relax and learn. Think of me as your big sister in beauty, here to guide you, cheer you on, and share all my best secrets. This channel is our supportive, positive community. We're here to encourage, uplift, and celebrate each other. No judgment, just love, learning, and laughter. We're all in this together, and every step forward counts. Ready for clear, happy skin? Let's own our beauty together, one day at a time. You're in control, and you're going to do great. Let's get started. Let's break it down. What exactly are blackheads, and why do they seem to pop up at the worst times? Contrary to popular belief, blackheads aren't just dirt stuck in your pores. They're actually clogged pores filled with a mix of oil, dead skin cells, and sometimes even tiny hairs. When this mixture is exposed to air, it oxidizes, which is what causes that dark black color you see on the surface. Blackheads are incredibly common. Almost everyone gets them at some point, regardless of age or skin type. Factors like hormones, stress, and even certain skincare or makeup products can make blackheads worse or more noticeable. The most important thing to remember, don't squeeze. Squeezing can push bacteria deeper, cause scarring, and lead to bigger skin issues. Instead, treat your skin gently and with care, using products designed to help unclog pores without irritation. Remember, blackheads are nothing to be ashamed of. They're a normal part of having skin. The dark color is simply a result of oxidation, not a sign of poor hygiene or dirty skin. Now that you know what blackheads really are, you're ready to learn about the best ways to treat and prevent them. We'll keep things simple, safe, and effective. No harsh scrubbing or risky tricks required. With the right approach, you're one step closer to feeling confident and enjoying clear, healthy skin every day. Ready for solutions? Let's dive into some easy and safe ways to say goodbye to blackheads for good. Start with a clay mask. Kaolin or bentonite clay works wonders. These natural clays help absorb oil and gently pull out impurities from deep within your pores. Use it once or twice a week to draw out impurities and excess oil. Let the mask sit for about 10-15 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water for best results. Next, try salicylic acid, a gentle exfoliant that clears pores from within. It's especially effective for oily and acne-prone skin, helping to prevent new blackheads from forming. Find it in cleansers or spot treatments and use a few times a week. Start slow to see how your skin reacts, and always follow up with moisturizer. Gentle exfoliation is key. Skip harsh scrubs and opt for smooth particles or chemical exfoliants. Over-exfoliating can irritate your skin and make blackheads worse. Exfoliate 1 to 3 times a week, no more. This keeps your skin fresh without causing redness or sensitivity. Pore strips? They're a quick fix for special occasions, but not a long-term solution. Use them sparingly, and never on irritated or broken skin. Always follow instructions and be gentle. Rushing or using too much product can do more harm than good. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity. A steady routine will give you better results than aggressive treatments. Treat your skin with kindness, and you'll see results. Hydration and patience are your best friends on this journey. These simple steps will help keep your skin clear and happy. Over time, you'll notice fewer blackheads and a smoother complexion. No harsh treatments, just gentle, effective care. Your skin will thank you for choosing products that nourish and protect. Your skin deserves the best. Let's keep it glowing, healthy, and free from blackheads with these easy, safe habits. A simple, consistent routine is your secret weapon. Start with a gentle cleanser morning and night. Double cleanse at night if you wear makeup. Follow with a toner. Salicylic acid is great for blackhead-prone skin. Apply toner with a cotton pad, focusing on your T-zone. Moisturize. Even oily skin needs hydration. Choose a lightweight, oil-free formula. Moisturize every morning and night. Never skip sunscreen, SPF 30 or higher every day. Sun protection keeps your skin healthy and prevents dark spots. This routine is easy, quick, and effective. Stick with it and your skin will thank you. Healthy skin is happy skin. You've got this. The best beauty tip? Love and accept yourself always. Blackheads don't define you. Confidence and self-love do. Skincare is self-care, not vanity. Taking time for your skin is a way to honor yourself. Progress takes patience. Don't expect perfection overnight. Celebrate small victories and be kind to yourself. Healthy skin is the goal, not flawless skin. This community is here to support and empower you. You're not alone on this journey. Embrace your beauty, own your power, and shine bright. You are strong, beautiful, and capable. Your beauty is your power. Own it. Go out there and glow.